Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO F19 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to find the display and brightness. Now let's scroll down in order to find auto screen off option. Let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds, and at the bottom the longest option, which is in this device 30 minutes, and it is also currently applied. All you have to do is to simply tap on the option like to use, and I will pick 5 minutes. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.